Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today, and today I'm featuring EayonHair. Big thank you to EayonHair for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump right into this look. So today I have their number 4 deep wave double drawn hair. This is 20 inches. I have 3 bundles of 20-inch double drawn number 4 deep wave hair. So in this video we'll be doing Bora Bora braids with no synthetic hair. So I have done a video similar to this, but it was different color and a different length. Today we're going a little longer. This is 20 inches. This is everything that I used. I have a review on that product. I will let you know as soon as I am done how I like it compared to the braiding gel. But this is what the hair looks like. I've already started. I wanted to go for like a medium size, and I'm adding my pieces in throughout every single braid. So I'm going to start off with one piece of the braiding hair. I'm braiding that into the braid off rip. So we're going to start with boho pieces at the top. Then throughout the braid, I add about 4 more pieces of hair, and then I add pieces to the bottom. So throughout the entire head, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of boho hair on each braid. So depending on the style you want, you can add more pieces, you can add less pieces, but I wanted a very full look. And because there's no braiding hair, this was very light. So it's a very lightweight hairstyle, and that's what I love. So as you can see, everything was already sorted before I started filming. All the links will be down below in case you're interested in anything that I use in this video. But I'm just going to be showing you how I achieve this style from different angles, giving you different tips because I don't want the braiding videos to start to get repetitive. So we're going to do things a little different. So once I'm finished with this braid, I'm going to jump on to the middle of my hair. So here I'm parting about, I think I have 2 or 3 rows that I'm going to go back. Yeah, so 3 rows. So across the front, I have a total of 10 rows across the front. And in the back, I have about another 8. So depending on how thick your hair is, the density of your hair, and the size of your braids, that's going to determine how many parts you do. But overall, I have about 18 rows. I did not count how many braids. So here I'm parting off a section. I've already parted out my edges because we're trying to preserve those. So whatever hair I'm not braiding in, I try to like style it to keep it out. So once again, I'm starting by adding 1 piece of braiding hair to the very top. I kind of braid that in as a knotless braid, and then I will start to add in my other pieces throughout the braid like I normally would. So for this, I do not braid it all the way to the end. If you want to extend the length on your human hair braids, you can braid further down. But I basically stop once my hair stops. And like I braid a little past where my hair stops, and then I will add the human hair pieces. And that's it. And I'm satisfied with the length. The length still hits. And these are only 20-inch bundles. So if you wanted to go for like the super long look, you can definitely achieve that with just using human hair. I would suggest getting longer lengths, and then you can achieve that look without all the stress and without all that weight, because the one thing that I noticed is the weight between the synthetic hair and the human hair. So this hair in particular does come in a variety of different colors. I have tried EayonHair quite a few colors now. I have a whole braiding playlist in case you are interested, but this is only my second time doing the boho style braids with no synthetic hair. And the double drawn hair is always the way to go. No matter what it is that you're going to do, whatever style, I highly suggest double drawn hair, which EayonHair has a lot of, because it is enough hair to give you that full look that you desire. So out of these 3 bundles that I have received, I used 2.5. I could have went in with that extra half of bundle that was left if I went a little longer, because then I could have added in more pieces, or if I would have went with a smaller size braid, I could have used more hair. But I'm very satisfied with the way this came out. I came across a video the other day that said it said like boho braids for shy girls or something like that, and I kind of get it, because the boho braided hairstyle can be a lot. It's like extra. So I guess what she meant when she said for shy girls is something a little more modest, you know. I think this is that, because it's not over, like it's not too big once it's done. And then when you add your water or hairstyling products like mousse, you can really, really tame it down. So yeah, maybe this is like Bora Bora for shy girls. So here I'm just trimming off any hair that is sticking out after, because with this method, I do notice that I have, I gotta work on the flyaways. I'm still new to this method. I said this in my other video. This is new to me. So the only thing that I noticed about the synthetic hair is the synthetic braiding hair gives you more structure. So it's easier to have a structured uniform braid throughout. When you're braiding with the human hair, it's a little softer. So you gotta really, really be on it with the braids. You do have flexibility for it not to be as uniform because of all the boho pieces. It's kind of like a distraction, so you don't see. Some of the braids was a little crooked. I'm not even gonna hold you. It was a little crooked. But I'm just going to continue to braid same method, starting off with one boho piece, adding in 4 as I go down. I did use nail glue to seal the ends of this hair, but keep in mind I braided way past my natural hair. At least an inch. Yeah. I braided past my natural hair about an inch, so I don't have to worry about glue in my hair. That's not a concern. So I'm just going to continue to do that, and then I will come back towards the end of the video. Okay, so here I'm getting to the very end of this look, and this didn't take too long. I did break this up in quite a few days. I started my hair on like Sunday. All I know is make yourself super comfortable, prepare as much as you can. When I say that, I mean like sort your hair, have everything ready, have all your hair products ready, have your food ready, because it's going to take a while and you want to be as comfortable as possible to make the process smooth so that you'll want to do it again and save money. But this is the final row, and the parts, I'm making sure the parts are lined up with the parts on the other side. Although I never ever wear my braids in the middle part, it still just looks really good when everything comes together seamless like that. But once I'm done with this, I do add water and mousse and I style my edges, and that is really it. I will have all the links down below in case you are interested. All the links to EayonHair will be down below. Everything that I used in the video will be down below. Yeah, that is it. So everything will be down in the description box. Don't forget to like the video. Shout out to EayonHair, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Sometimes she gotta put herself in check. She don't take no disrespect. You even got no effect, but she ain't living check to check. Her ass getting fatter now. She in the gym eating better.